Guys, in this video, we will discuss about how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a square matrix. So first of all here, the fact is that how can we find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors? So for that, suppose we consider a square matrix of order n and let lambda be an undeterminate. So then, how can we find the eigenvalues? So now first we have to construct a matrix A minus lambda I, which known as the characteristics matrix. Then we have to consider the characteristics polynomial, that is the det of A minus lambda I, and then det of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. This gives the characteristics equation, and the roots of this characteristics equation are known as the eigenvalues of the matrix A. So now let us see that how can we find the eigenvalues and eigenvector of a matrix. So for here we considered a 2 cross 2 matrix like A is equal to 2 3 3 2. So first we consider the characteristics matrix, that is A minus lambda I. So if we find the A minus lambda I, that means A minus lambda I, that means the 2 3 3 2 minus lambda into 1 0 0 1, where I is the second order square matrix since the matrix A is second order. So if we simplify, that is A minus lambda I, we get 2 minus lambda, 3 3 and 2 minus lambda, and from here we can find the characteristics equation like det of A minus lambda is equal to 0. So we can write from here that 2 minus lambda 3 3, 2 minus lambda is equal to 0, and from here we can write that the lambda minus 2 whole square minus 9 is equal to 0, and from here, that is, if we use the formula of a square minus b square, we can find the values of lambda are 5 and minus 1. So here we can say that the 5 and minus 1 are the eigenvalues of the matrix A, and the eigenvalues of matrix A. So now the next fact is that how can we find the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalues? So first of all, we find the eigenvector by using the condition Ax is equal to lambda x, where lambda is the eigenvalue. And remind one thing, that the eigenvectors are always in the column matrix. So here we take that x is equal to x1 y1 be the eigenvector corresponding eigenvalue lambda is equal to 5. So here, from here we can write that A minus lambda x is equal to 0, and if we put the value lambda is equal to 5, A minus lambda, that is the characteristics matrix here, so we get that 2 minus 5 3 3 2 minus 5 x1 y1 is equal to 0. This is not 0, actually this is a 0 matrix, and if we simplify we get this, that minus 3x1 plus 3y1 is equal to 0, and 3x1 minus 3y1 is equal to 0. And see here, both the equation give the same equation, x1 minus y1 is equal to 0, and this imply x1 is equal to y1. So now here we have to choose x1 y1 or x1, either x1 or y1, one of them arbitrarily. So we choose that the arbitrarily y1 is equal to c. So from this relation we can say that the x1 is also c. So now the eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalue 5 is of the form, that is c comma c or c of 1 1. So this is the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue 5. So now if we consider that x is equal to x2 y2 be the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to minus 1. So we get and if we use the formula that ax is equal to lambda x or A minus lambda x is equal to 0, if we put lambda is equal to minus 1, we get 2 plus 1 3 3 and 2 plus 1 x2 y2 is 0, and from here we get 3x2 plus 3y2 and 3x2 plus 3y2 0 0. So from both of two these we get that this gives the same equation, x2 plus y2 is equal to 0, and here x2 is equal to minus y2. And if we take, since x2 and y2 are interrelated, and if we take arbitrarily that y2 as d, then we get x2 is equal to minus d, and so the corresponding eigenvector is always in the column format, so that is minus d comma d or d of minus 1 comma 1. So now we can say that the eigenvector of the matrix given A are C 1 1 and D minus 1 1. I hope you understand that how to find the eigenvalue and eigenvector of a 2 cross 2 matrix. So thank you.